Okay everyone, here's a little example of how you would use the microscope, go through all the procedures of the various objectives, and also show you about oil immersion. So this is a wet mount slide I made, just putting a drop of pond water or whatever onto a slide, and I put a cover slip over top of it, made sure there weren't a lot of bubbles. And so the first thing I do is make sure the microscope is at its lowest magnification. In this case the objective is 4. I go ahead and move the slide holder on the stage and attach the slide to the stage. And then I begin by looking through, and notice I'm using the coarse focus, the big knob right here, to focus at the 4x power. Once I see that, these microscopes are parfocal, meaning I should be able to go now to my next one, which is 10, and not have to do a huge amount of focusing, maybe a little, but not much, in order to get it in focus. And there it is, looks great. Once I have it in focus at 10, now I go to 40. Clicks into place. Same thing, 40x, it should be in pretty good shape, and it is. Slight adjustments, mostly in this case with the fine focus, the little knob on the inside, okay, as opposed to the coarse out here. Now let's say I wanted to get to 100x oil. Most of what you're looking at, you won't need to do that, but on your prepared slides you might. Certainly on your gram stains next week you will need oil. So what do? You get this thing in focus at 40x and move the objective in between the 100 and the 40. So this one is the 100x. This is the 40. So I just had it on 40, I move it in between the two, so now there's no objective over the sample. I then take some immersion oil, and there's a little light in the middle of the slide, I don't know if you can see it, but I just take this oil and put a big blob directly on where that light is, right on top of the slide. Okay? In this case, I'm using a cover slip. In your case, you probably won't be. And then you simply slide this 100x oil objective right into the oil. Don't move anything. Notice I didn't change the focus, nothing. All I did was move the objective into place. Now when I look under, I only use the fine focus, because this is so close. This is 1,000 times closer than anything else I was using. So it's very important to only use the fine focus. And now I can see things up close and in quite a lot of detail.